Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Susana and today we're customizing a birthday card. So let's begin by mentioning the things you can't do on this template. You cannot change the size and orientation of the template, and you cannot change the color of the artwork. So the art on this template are the balloons, the gold textured background, and the gold lines. Everything else on the template can be modified. So you can change the color of the background. So you just shift this towards the bottom and click on the background, and you can change the color and just move the textured background back in its place. And there you go. You can change the color of this background. You can change the color of the border. These are actual lines, so you would have to click on each one to change the color. You can change the color of this shape, the color of the text, the size, and the font type. And that goes for all the text. This section is grouped, so to ungroup it, go to the top right and click ungroup. To edit the text, just double click and start typing. You have the back of the card here. This section is grouped, so ungroup it. Just get rid of this placeholder and upload your logo. This logo has a transparent background, that's why it blends in with the purple background. If your logo has a color background, what you want to do is go to Elements, scroll down, go to the section called Frames, click on the circle, click on your logo and drag. And now it's going to blend in with any color you choose for the background. These social media icons, the color cannot be changed. To edit the text here, just double click and start typing. You have the Spanish template below. This is the front. This is the back. And on the last page, you have your social media icons. If you have any questions on this template, please let me know. Thank you for watching, and you guys have an awesome day.